So here's the error that you get when the center brake light is out. You got that little light icon, and it said center brake light was out, so it's intermittent though. Sometimes it says it's out, sometimes it doesn't. So here we are inside the car, and here's the third brake light, and we're going to try and remove this, hopefully without any special tools. The manual says to, pop off this quarter panel cover, I guess, on both sides, and then there's some clips up here for the headliner that you want to pull it down a little bit and then pull this out. But a lot of people have been able to pull this thing out with just either a pry tool or with their single hand, and I'm going to try and do that. There's a couple of slots, one over here that this pushes into, and there's a clip on both sides that holds it in, and the connections on this side. So I'm just gonna try and do this with one hand, and so this is flexible, but it's pushed up against the window pretty tight. So what we're gonna try and do is just use our fingers to kind of pry it up a little bit and try and get our fingers in there. Okay, there we go. Looks like it let go a little bit. And then get a good grip and then pull straight down the window. And that doesn't work. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is get this thing out of here, and hopefully we can use this pry tool here. And I know that these are clips up here are hard to get off, so we're gonna try and push this out. We're gonna go up into the middle here and basically try to push this out. Try and get this side. It has to be somewhat level and straight on both sides. So we got one side out. Can we get the other side? There we go. So then we've got this little connector here, and I believe you just pull it out. Of course not. Looks like we got a little clip here on the side. Needs to come up. goodness. I'm missing something here. I feel like I'm just gonna break it. Oh, golly. So there's this tab here that needed to come up, and it has a tab on the connector. Wow. All right. Now that we got this out, you can buy replacements for this fairly cheap these days. Temu or Amazon or eBay most likely, and it's 25 bucks, but I'm gonna see if I can fix it. And from looking at other videos, the solder joints or solder joints on these two connectors here fail or become brittle and allow intermittent connection. And you can see that's where the wire actually pushes into, and then it comes up to these two right on the end. So I'm going to re-solder them and see if that fixes it. If not, I'll just buy another one. Can't really tell if this is bad or not, but looks like the top one is a little bit iffy. So that one's probably the one I'll try to redo, or let me see if I can get that focused. All right. I think you can see the top one's got a little bit of discoloration compared to the bottom one, and so that's the one I'm going to try and fix. And of course, Murphy's Law says that you forget to press record, but this is after I sucked out the old solder and put in the new, and the pins look like they're more encased, and if there were any cracks, micro cracks or any cracks in there, I hope that I got them all and that it went in the holes, went in the holes, but it looks like there's a decent amount in there, and it looks like they are covered. So I'm gonna put this back in. All right, now we're just gonna connect this up and see if it works. I'm gonna try not to break anything. Okay, I partially connected it, I guess. Try and turn it this way and see if I can see if it works or not when I press the brake pedal from in here. hopefully that will actually work and got rid of the message. But so far, no error message, and as you can see, it still worked. Now we got the next fun thing, which is to try and put this back in. Like I said, there's two clips, and I should just be able to push it back in, hopefully, if you engage them properly. Looks like I need to get my trim tool pulled down. You have to get it underneath the trim, obviously, so let's see if that gives us enough room. Maybe not. Let's try to do it one side at a time. That's pretty tough. Yeah, you definitely have to pull down a little bit. And get it under there. Just need a little bit more, needs to come in a little bit more. Looks like I don't have it all the way under here on this side. There we go. Oh my God. Okay. Now it's in all the way. And hopefully I will not get that error message anymore. I guess you probably really don't need to try and fix it, but I just wanted to go buy yourself a new one.